Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys new coupons to print. Now, I tell you guys this every week. I print my coupons from swagbucks.com, and then I go to another browser and I print my coupon from my points. I get points for every coupon that I use, or every coupon that I print, and then I also get points when I redeem them. So when I use them, they do take a couple weeks to get that points back, but that is how I save for a free Christmas, you guys. I'm actually starting to redeem my points right now, and I'm going to start saving all my gift cards because sometimes they do take about a week to get. So if you guys are planning on, saving money for Christmas or anything, definitely go ahead and do this. I do have a referral link for both links below that you guys can join, and then you guys get points when you join. But I love this. I mean, why not get paid for printing free gift cards or printing coupons? So yes, so there is quite a lot of new coupons. The Degree is still available. I never printed any of those off. Huggies is still available. CoverGirl is always available, I feel like. And then they got some Phillips and Metamucil. Miss Charlotte's going to start having a fit because she's in my arms and she's like, Mom, I want to run away. I want to away. Okay, so the first thing that we see is the Listerine. We have Listerine. Ready Tabs $1, and then there's Suave, and Suave. I'm actually not getting these coupons as much anymore, so I'm actually going to print them off. So I'm going to print the Listerine and the Suave coupon. My thing moved a little bit. We got $1 off of one, and then we have $3 off of 2 Dove. I'm just printing these off just, in case. 75 cents off Tabasco. We got $1.50 off the Palmer's. Here is 3 off of 2 regular Suave, and then $2 off Dove Dermacare, regular Listerine, and then the kids' $1 off coupons. And then I think that's pretty much it for new coupons. These are all ones that have been available for a while. So yes. A lot of Gerber, and thank you guys for whoever sent me all those Gerber coupons. I greatly appreciate it. So I went to the grocery store yesterday, went crazy over baby food, just because Miss Charlotte's, starting solid. So yes. And then here are the ones that are still available. So Godiva, 50% off coupon for that is still available. Scrubbing Bubbles, Windex, and then the Quaker Oatmeal, Truvia, and then some of the baby stuff. And then that Mahamahata coupon is still available. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.